Hello guys and welcome back to Live in 5RC. Today I have two new servos from Send It RC. I have the HV458 and the HV626. We're going to go ahead and do a quick unboxing video, just show you what they come with, give a little bit of description and check them out. Then we'll go ahead and throw them in a car and get some testing done.
Marshals ready, drivers ready, live in 5.
Alright, let's first take a look at the Platinum HV458 from Send It RC. It is a 0.1 at 6 volts, 0.083 at 7.4 volts, and then it's 0.07 at 8.4 volts. The torque is 28 kilograms at 6 volts, 33 kilograms at 7.4, and then 36 kilograms at 8.4. Let's go ahead and get it out of the box. I do like this casing. It does have a nice plastic casing, so if you ever need to like store your servos or have extras just in your gear bag or anything like that, they just come in this nice casing. Once you get it out, you'll notice that the servo is an all metal housing. Tops, bottoms, sides, even the mounts, all metal housing, which I tend to like instead of a plastic housing. As you can see, we have the Send It RC Platinum HV458. It's a brushless magnetic servo. It does have a 25 tooth servo horn mount, so that would be great for all of your standard servo horns. It does have a fixed lead, so that you don't have to worry about that disconnecting. I know some of the nice ones that I usually use do have a detachable lead. So this is a fixed lead, but the cable is nice and long, so you really shouldn't have any issues having the right length. Let's go ahead and just take a look real quick what comes in the accessories bag. The accessories bag comes with a nice plastic throttle servo horn, a nice steering servo horn. And this is probably my favorite thing, and most people don't appreciate these very much, but I really do. These are just rubber grommets. They fit inside the screw hole here. As you can see, that just slides right in there like that. And it adds a little bit of spacing as well as a little bit of protection and cushion for your servo. I mean, depending on how hard you drive. I'm a pretty hard driver, so it just adds a little bit of protection for both the servo as well as the user and the screws. It does come with 4 mounting screws as well as a servo horn screw, and it does come with 4 of the rubber grommets. So that's the HV458 from Send It RC. Let's go ahead and put this one away and we'll take a look at the 626. So next up we have the Platinum HV626 from Send It RC. And this one is a 0.11 at 6 volts, 0.1 at 7.4 volts, and 0.085 at 8.4 volts. It has 34 kilograms at 6 volts, 39 kilograms at 7.4 volts, and then 45 kilograms at 8.4 volts. So this is a much stronger, more torquey servo than the 458 is. Let's go ahead and take this one out and we'll take a look at it real quick. Again, nice plastic housing for storage, or if you need to keep an extra inside your gear bag or anything like that. I think that's a big plus. Again, all metal housing. And again, this is a 25 tooth servo horn mount, so you won't have any issues there. Fixed lead again. Again, same length wiring here. And let's just take a quick look at this accessories bag. So it looks like, again, we have the plastic throttle, a plastic steering servo horn, and again, those nice rubber grommets. They fit just right inside there into that screw housing. Give you a nice little bit of added protection for your screw mount, as well as a little bit of cushion for impacts or anything like that. So that's a big plus for me. I really like that. It's a good addition, I think, to a nice servo. But let's get the 458 back on the table and we'll take a look at both of them together. All right, so now we have both of them here on the table. As you can see, they're pretty much identical in size and shape. Both metal housing, which is a huge plus. Just this one's a little bit more quicker, the HV458, and this one's a little bit more torquey. So my plan is actually to run the HV626 as my throttle and brake on my nitro buggy, and then the HV458 on my steering. And that's just because I like a little bit more torque for the braking on the nitro versus speed. I mean, it's still really fast, you know, compared to a lot of servos. But the best part is about these servos is this one's only $70. The HV458 from Send It is only $70. All metal housing, great speeds, 25 tooth horn. I mean, it doesn't get much better than that, like in my opinion. This one, the HV626, is only $85. I mean, that's unbelievable. With the specs that this thing has between the speed and torque, $85 for the servo is an absolute great price. I mean, in my opinion. I'm not saying that, you know, you can't find a better deal, because you may be able to, but for $85, I think this is a really good price, and I really think the $70 for the HV458 is also a really great price. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and throw these in my nitro buggy. I'm going to do some testing. I'm going to check them out. I also have an HV458 for my e-buggy that I'm just going to use for steering. So we'll see how that goes as well. But I mean, for $70 and $85 for the speed, the torque, all aluminum housing, just all around value. The best part is they do come with a 120-day warranty. So if you do have any issues straight from the factory, they have no issues replacing them. So if you do have any issues, just, you know, get in contact with them. But I mean, for $70 and $85, I don't think you can find, you know, much better than that. I really think that, you know, I think that's a great opportunity for up-and-coming racers and racers who are experienced as well. I'm going to use these in both my nitro buggy and e-buggy, so we'll see how they go and we'll see how they do. But if you have any questions or anything like that, you know, make sure you comment. The website is sendit-rc.com, and just click their servos lead, and it will take you right to both of these servos. They also offer a 10th scale servo that I'm probably going to go ahead and get for my 10th scale as well. But I think for the price, the specs, and everything else, I think they're a great deal, but we still have to test them. So until we get some testing done, I don't want to give you a firm yes or no, but once we get that testing done, I definitely think I'm probably going to switch to these if they succeed. Just because I like them. I like the all-metal housing. I like the specifications on them. So we'll see how it goes. But again, that website is sendit-rc.com. Thanks for watching the video today. Thanks for watching Live in 5RC. Thanks for taking a look at the Sendit RC servos with us today. Again, their website is sendit-rc.com. I will go ahead and leave that in the video description below. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel for more RC coverage. We do tips and tricks, reviews, race coverage, bashing videos, pretty much everything RC related we cover. So make sure you like and subscribe here, and then check us out on Facebook at facebook.com/liveinfiveRC.